Today, we'll be showing you how to use RM's Air Tuner, an innovative air drying additive designed to speed up your repair process while maintaining a flawless finish. After base coat has been applied, prepare Air Tuner with diamond top. Add the correct amount of Air Tuner additive according to the RM technical datasheet and mix thoroughly. With the mixture ready, apply the clear coat to the prepared panels using standard spray techniques. Notice how smoothly the product lays down, ensuring excellent coverage and finish. Once applied, Air Tuner activates under ambient conditions. No need for baking. The panels dry quickly and evenly in the workshop environment, saving you time, energy, and money. In just a moment, the panels are ready for handling. The finish is smooth, durable, and meets the highest professional standards. RM Air Tuner is the smart solution for faster cycle times, energy savings, and exceptional results. RM. Perfection made simple.